Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to make the text behind object in Filmora 11. So let's get started. So first of all, let's get the image file from the stock media tab so that we can put the text behind that object. So I'm using this image. First of all, you have to put the title just above the first track. You can edit it. Now what you have to do is just copy this track like this image and put it on the third track like just above the title. Now we have to do the masking on the third track. Now double click the third track and you will get into the mask menu. You can use any of the masking which will have the better mask for your particular object. You can even edit it from here. Now you can unhide it and you can see. You can put the animation as left to right. Something like this. So I hope you found the video helpful and found something new. If so, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.